Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today in our class 4, we are going to continue chapter 7, that is circulatory and excretory system. And today we are going to study about excretory system and how does it work. So, let's start our topic. So, children, in our body, every cell is performing continuously so many activities, and while doing so they produce a lot of waste. So the process of removal of waste products which are formed in the body is very important. Otherwise it can accumulate in the body and it can harm us. So this process of removing waste from the body is called excretion. So this is the definition of excretion. Now, children, when we talk about excretory organs, so these are the organs which are involved in removing the waste from our body. So, organs like lungs, kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra, and skin are some of the excretory organs of our body, and they are called excretory organs. So, when we talk about excretory organ, the first excretory organ is kidneys, then we have ureter, then is bladder and urethra, which is actually forming your urinary system. But along with them, we also have lungs and skin, which helps in removing the waste from our body. So, now let us come to the definition of excretory system. So it is an organ system that helps in getting rid of waste formed inside our body. Okay, so this system is known as excretory system. So let us start with the first excretory organ, that is the skin. So children, you would be surprised to know that skin has sweat glands, okay, and which release excess waste and water and salt in the form of sweat. Okay, everybody of you know about sweat. Coming to the next excretory organ, that is lungs. So when we breathe in, we take in oxygen and carbon dioxide is released from the body. Okay, that is done through lungs. Coming to the urinary system, which is our main topic for today. So urinary system is the main excretory system of our body that remove waste in the form of urine. Kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra are the parts or organs of this system. Now you can have a look at the diagram of urinary system. It has a pair of kidneys, two ureters, bladder and urethra. Now let us first talk about the kidneys. So kidneys are the main organ of the urinary system. They are a pair of bean-shaped organ. If you can see the shape, okay, they are bean-shaped structure, and they filter the blood and pass the waste products through ureters in the form of urine. So their main function is to filter the blood. Just have a closer look at the kidneys, children. Now the next organ of urinary system is ureters. They are the muscular tubes that connect kidneys to the urinary bladder, and they carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. So they are actually carrying the urine. Coming to the urinary bladder, it is a muscular organ that collects urine from the kidneys before it passes out of the body. Okay, so it is an organ where urine is stored and it is an elastic organ. Just have a look at the urinary bladder. It is an organ where yellow color urine is filled and urine gets removed from the body with the help of urethra, the last organ of the urinary system. Now let us recapitulate what we have studied today with the help of a diagram. So we have studied about excretory system, which consists of a pair of kidneys. The main function of the kidneys is to filter the blood and remove the waste material from the blood. These waste materials are then stored in the urinary bladder with the help of ureter. Ureters take the urine or the liquid waste from the kidneys to the bladder, which gets stored in the bladder, and finally the urine gets removed from the body with the help of urethra. So children, I hope the topic is clear to you. So keep learning and enjoy.